All right, thanks for taking this course on how to make passive income through stock photography. I'm just going to give you guys a brief overview real quick of everything that we'll be learning in this class. First off, we'll be talking about my approach to evergreen editorial content versus commercial content or event editorial content. From there, we'll be talking about what niche to get into, what niche is right for you. Very briefly, we'll talk about camera options. And when I say camera options, you absolutely can use your cell phone. So we'll be getting into some attachable lenses to actually change the focal length of your cell phone. We're not going to get into anything super nitty gritty. I just want you guys to be aware of what's out there. From there, we're going to go into some very basic camera skills. And again, I'm not talking about the settings on your camera. I'm talking about once you're there actually taking the picture. Yes, we're taking very standard basic pictures, but we still want them to be interesting. We still want to make the most out of a very straightforward setup. So we're going to talk about certain angles that you can use and things like that to make the most out of your picture there. We'll also cover stock photography ethics. From there, we'll get into the plan for the day. So the day you go out and actually take your stock photos, what you want to be doing, how you want to approach that. You don't want to go out and just take one photo of one object. You want to try to gather certain things that are in that geographic area. So we'll get into that. From the plan of the day, we'll go into the Photoshop and post-processing process. And again, very basic overview. We just want our pictures to look nice and standard. We're not getting into any nitty-gritty Photoshop stuff. From there, we'll talk about the upload process and the different sites that you can let your content live on. And then after the upload process, we'll do a little bit of kind of just miscellaneous wisdom, things that I've learned over the years that I wish I had known when I was starting out. So that's kind of an overview of the course. So let's go ahead and jump into it.